Hello guys, welcome back to LMV. I know it's been a while and I haven't posted a video in forever, right? So we're almost gonna hit 200. We just passed 100, so whenever we hit 200 I want to do a giveaway. I still don't know what I want to do. I still don't know what I want to give away, so stay tuned for that. So when we hit 200 I'll show you guys what I want to give away and then do the giveaway and all that good stuff. So if you guys are new, please subscribe, hit that bell notification. It will notify you every time I upload some great creations. So today, let me tell you guys, I was just sitting at my desk editing another video for my other channel, and I was like, you know what, I need another video for my creations video. So I did have a couple things that came in a while back, and I was just so busy with work and kids and school and stuff like that. So I don't work anymore, so hopefully I have more time to do these kind of videos. Right now I do want to do two things, and it's gonna be Halloween theme. Of course, I love Halloween. Next month is my birthday, so I'm excited for that. I have this orange shirt that I've been having it for like 2-3 months ago, and I haven't done anything for Halloween, so I wanted to get a Halloween video out. So I have this green shirt. It is Gildan, so that's how it looks. And then I do have this cup, and it's all like yellow, and the little the little sparkles that you guys see in there, those do change colors if it's hot or cold. And then I did bought this, we got some vinyl for glow in the dark, and then some heat transfer vinyl that glows in the dark. So I'm excited to do something with it. I still don't know, but of course I'll put this video all in together for you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys haven't. It's totally free. And again, please subscribe. We're gonna hit 200. Hopefully it'll go really fast, and we'll do a giveaway. And like my video, subscribe. It's gonna help us all of us help us. It's gonna help all of us at the long run anyway. So I want to give something for you guys for being here with me, and of course learning together, because this channel is growing together as crafting community, creation community, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, anyway, too much rambling, let's begin. Alright guys, so for this project you're gonna need your vinyls, whatever vinyls you're gonna be using, and both of these are glow in the dark. Just one's for things, and the other one is for heat transfer, like your shirts and stuff like that, fabric. Your heat transfer or your heat tape, and then your tools, of course your shirt, whatever shirt you're gonna use, or fabric. And then I'm going to be using a cup as well, and for a design. And then you're gonna need of course your Cricut, and then your design space, of course, or any kind of app that you guys are using to cut all this. So I'm going to get ready the vinyl for my shirt, and you're gonna need your heat press. I am already heating the press to make sure it's all pressed and stuff. So yeah, let's do this. So this is how it looks. I'm sure that the shiny one always goes down because it is a heat transfer. Sorry, my kids were doing projects here yesterday. So all I'm going to do, I'm using the big mat, and I got most of my stuff that I get is from Amazon. So if you guys have any questions, if it's not down below, let me know. But that's just how it's looking. I'm going to open my machine. So always make sure that you have the correct size for your shirt. I am using extra large, so I am doing, I believe it's around 11 and 9. So you are gonna want to cut it, or you don't have to cut it, but it does make it easier for the Cricut machine just to go through it. Just print it out. Make sure it's mirrored because this is going to be a heat press. you know, I just noticed that I have my music going on and I am talking. So we're gonna scoot it up, press your buttons, and it's super easy to use a Cricut. It blinks the light when you're ready to go, so it could easily grab it, and then when it's on the C or a play button, depends what machine you have, you just click on it and it's gonna start cutting it. So I'm excited. So while that is getting done, I am going to press my shirt and lint roll it, and so it could be ready for the heat press. Yay, so it's all done. All you gotta do is press that blinking button and we're gonna start taking it off. Let's see if we did it the right way. I'm always doing it the wrong way. If you leave your vinyl on the mat, I feel that it's going to be a lot easier. Hopefully it does glow. I'm excited to see this. All right, guys, so this is the thing that I really liked. So we see if we could print it out. We'll do on the Cricut and see if we could cut everything, because my Cricut has been funky. I don't really like touching a lot of things like that, but I do have to like what's going on. So yeah, this is the thing that we're going to be putting on my shirt. Hopefully it comes out, and then hopefully it comes out glowing. That's the whole point of Halloween, right? And I do have a purple shirt, but I don't know if I want to do the orange or the purple one now, because I really like this. You know what I want to do is put thick thighs, spooky vibes. I think I'm gonna cut this. I think I'm gonna do it. Give me a second. All right, guys. So I already pressed my shirt. This is gonna take a little bit longer because I have a couple things to put on. I'm excited how this turns out. So let's do the big one first. Let's see if it works there. So all right, guys. So we're gonna put this bigger one first, just because it is bigger. Make sure you don't have anything. And you always want to make sure it's right in the middle. Doesn't really have to be exact, but most of the time, you know, depending what you're doing. So maybe like there. Does that look about straight? Sorry guys, you guys are a little in the way. So we're gonna put thick thighs. Just make sure your wording is not touching. not on top of the other plastic part. And then we're gonna cut this one. And we're gonna go spooky vibes, thick thighs, spooky vibes. I think I like this much better. So maybe if we put it maybe right there. Okay. Okay. So let's come over here to my my heat press on that side, and we'll go from there. Oops. I want to make sure everything is right there. 7, around 7. Okay, hopefully it's the same size I want it. Okay. Okay, so on the paper that came with, it did say 300 to 320, or I believe I'll leave it right on the screen for you guys for like 20 seconds. Well, fuck it, let's just do it. Living life on the edge. Alright, so let's. It's not even going. 20. Okay. I'm kind of scared. So it says hot peel. Hopefully you guys are able to see this. I can't see you guys. Wow, this is awesome. Oh gosh, let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. So I'm in my garage. It's a little hot. Sorry, I was close enough. This is how it came out. Let me show you guys. How cute is this? I am loving it. And this is a stretchy part. And I'm gonna see if we're able to see the glow. Are you guys ready? All right, guys. Oh, let me put my computer a little lower. I love, you guys should see my desk. Let me take a video with my phone, guys. all right, I'll turn on the light for you guys. But this is awesome. This is how it came out. I am so loving this. And I know I was reading on the description that if you do keep it on the sun or light for a couple of minutes, it's gonna, like, I don't know, it re-glows, just in case. It's 3 hours of glowing, and then of course it's gonna go from 3 hours. You gotta keep it on the sun or the light or whatever, and it's gonna go back to glowing for 3 hours again or something like that. But if I do find the description on where I found this vinyl, I'll let you guys know where. But I am so loving. Let's give it a big stretch. And I only turned on one light, so it looks a little dark in here. Give me a second. How awesome is that shit? Let's do our cup. I want to do the little yellow lid or greenish, just neon type of thing, just because of the glow. So I have to look for a design for this. I still don't know. Maybe if I if I do my giveaway, it could be like Christmas stuff, a Christmas shirt and a Christmas cup. We'll see. That's a good idea because Christmas is coming up, so we have to do this real fast. Hopefully we hit 200 or more before Christmas, at least a month. But that shirt came out awesome. I'm gonna look for a design for this one and let's go. That's how I opened it. How disgusting is that? I have all kinds of knives in here and this is a way. Oh, okay, so it looks a little yellow on my side. I know you guys can't see it so much, but definitely yellow. Let me see if there's any instructions. There is none whatsoever. Because it's really thick. I wish you guys could see this and help me out. And we're not doing transfer. Oh gosh. We'll just give it a try with this one. Just up like that. We'll see how it goes, okay? And get it right. We're gonna do it. So while that cuts, I'm gonna be cleaning my cup. I have a little bit of alcohol in there. Make sure you just clean it off. Good. Okay. After you clean it, try not to touch the part where you're gonna be locating the stickers, just because you don't want the grease or any kind of stuff that your fingers have in the cup. So just like that. All I'm doing is doing the transfer tape right now. I'm sure you guys seen this a lot of times. Maybe I could just fast forward this part. Yes, I was eating hot Cheetos when I went to go pick up the kids. So a lot of these need a lot of help, but we're just... Alright guys, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you guys haven't, and of course let me know in the description bar if you guys need help on anything or any questions. Alright guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next crafting video.